Hi, my name is Chris from Construction Equipment Repairs in Brisbane, Keepers Plains, and what you see here before us are some of the items that I repair and service, from generating plants to pressure cleaners to the cheaper style Chinese generators, right up through to some of the older Wakaneusen camping rammers, forward reverse compaction plates. The range of equipment that I do work on and licensed to do as a qualified restricted electrical contractor and a qualified small engine mechanic, competing with a lot of other brands on the market. I have been picked by a lot of bigger businesses to carry out their workload where they don't employ any of the workshop staff that they're required to do this. The 30 years of experience in the industry gives me a broad range of equipment to repair for you. I can pick up at any time and deliver back to site. A reasonable amount of time normally in service and repair due to the extension of work that normally comes here, but predominantly construction equipment repairs can handle most of your on-site repairs and servicing requirements. Again, call me back on 0412 03 05 06. My name's Chris Davies.